biggest concern in front of a nation is the energy security, and for which the nuclear energy is the best solution for a nation, which is also related to my topic. Jai Hind, gentlemen, my today's topic is India-US nuclear deal. The India-US nuclear deal, also known as the India-US Civil Nuclear Agreement, is a landmark agreement which changed the way India interacted with global powers. It was finalized in 2008 at the time of PM Manmohan Singh. It also gave India access to global nuclear trade, and also after being not a member of Non-Proliferation Treaty, it still allows India to maintain its nuclear program. If we talk about the background of the deal, it was delayed for decades because India conducted its nuclear test even after being and was not a member of Non-Proliferation Treaty because we believed that it was discriminatory. But in USA's perspective, it was wrong. Whereas our non-proliferation of a nuclear technology later on for decades also helped in gaining the trust from USA. If we talk about the key highlights of the deal, it includes the separation of our civil as well as the military nuclear programs, and also allowed the IAEA, that is the International Atomic Energy Agency, to inspect its civil facilities anytime it wanted. If we talk about the advantages we get from this deal, it mainly includes the technological advancement. By this, India gained a very important technology, which was nuclear technology, from this thing. As well as we could also import the nuclear reactors, nuclear fuels, and better nuclear technologies from the multiple nuclear supplying groups, which includes France, Russia, USA, and many other countries. Other than that also, it helped India in securing its energy needs. As we can clearly see that India is a growing nation, and for meeting its needs, it can only depend on the nuclear energy in the future, which was very important aspect of this deal. Other than that also, it helped in building the trust and cooperation and building a healthy relation with USA, which was also a great aspect of this deal. If we talk about the other things which we got from this deal, was also the relationship we got from USA. By this, we also got some defense deals with USA, such as the MQ-9 Reaper drone. This deal was being started from that time also. And if we talk about the challenges we faced in this deal, it mainly includes the internal challenges, such as many people believe that by this deal we will compromise our nuclear program to the international powers and other aspects as well. Other countries also believe that by doing this, the Non-Proliferation Treaty will get weakened because India was not a member of that. Other than that also, there were many other concerns in it. In the conclusion, I will say that nuclear deal of India and USA is very important in India's nuclear energy program and energy security, as well as for getting future technology and building a nation as well. Thank you.